Ashlynn. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for Rahina, the 8th of June.
We start today with hockey news.
Practice for 1 to 2 teams. Mrs. Hall's Wiggles and Omea and Riley's Wombles. Listen up.
You have a practice plan for today at lunchtime, but if you look outside, they're probably going to cancel.
Okay, on to kupu or te wiki. This week's word is tohuto,
which today are for macron. And macron is a little hat above. You can sometimes see in Rio, like this.
Tohuto, macron.
Car pipe. Okay, tidiest class award. Drum roll, please, for
Groups 5, 12 and 13.
Keep those classes tidy. Only a few more weeks until pizza lunch for one hard-working class.
It's so dark out there in the mornings, people. So, to and from school, do the right thing. Wear your Hi Viz vest.
A big koutou to all Liberians. Library is open at 12:40 today. Nice and warm and dry.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Congratulations to all runners at Central Cross Country on Friday.
Sounds like a record number of off to Southland Champs this Friday.
Go Winton! Go Winton! Yay!
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a popo!
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay away from the mud when to go. I wave to